If you've been trying to figure out how to monetize your Skool community the right way without wasting time on strategies that don't work, then you're in the right place. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your Skool group into a profitable asset, and I'll also show you some better alternatives depending on your goals. Stick around, because I've got an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. The first thing, charging for access. Skool makes this easy with built-in paywalls, so you can lock your community behind a one-time or recurring fee. This is a great way to monetize if your community offers exclusive content, coaching, or high-value discussions. But compared to platforms like Kajabi or Mighty Networks, Skool lacks deeper customization and advanced automation, so if you need that, an alternative might be a better fit. Next thing, courses and gated content. Skool lets you create a simple course inside your community, which is great for engagement. But here's the catch, it's not as robust as platforms built for course creators, like Teachable or Thinkific, where you get better tracking, certificates, and payment flexibility. If Skool's course setup feels too limited, switching to a dedicated course platform might be worth it. The third way, affiliate marketing. If you don't want to charge for access, you can monetize by recommending products and software to your members. This works especially well if you have a niche audience that trusts your recommendations. Skool itself has an affiliate program, but the commissions aren't as high as other platforms like Podia or System.io, which allow more aggressive monetization. The fourth thing, upselling services. Whether you're a coach, consultant, or service provider, Skool works well for lead generation. You can give free access to your community and use it as a pipeline to upsell high-ticket services. But unlike something like Facebook groups, which has built-in organic reach, Skool requires you to drive traffic manually, which means you'll need a solid marketing plan. Final thing, monetizing engagement. Skool has a gamified experience with points and leaderboards, which keeps members engaged. You can use this to drive participation in paid challenges, mastermind groups, or even sell sponsorships inside your community. But if engagement monetization is your priority, platforms like Circle or Discord with premium roles might be better, depending on how you want to structure your income streams. Now, if you're set on Skool, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you in the description. This gives you a longer test period and some extra perks that aren't publicly available. But if you need more customization, better course features, or stronger automation, I've also included some top alternatives that offer free trials so you can compare and choose what fits your goals best. Check the first link below, and I'll see you in the next video.